Hi, I'm Andy Mudd, owner of Pro-Vac Chimney Sweeps, Bozeman's finest full-service chimney sweeping and dryer vent service company. All sweeps at Pro-Vac Chimney Sweeps are certified by the Chimney Safety Institute of America. We provide complete professional service and care about doing an excellent job for a fair price. Chimney sweeping has come a long way. Our state-of-the-art systems are worlds ahead of what our competition offers. Our modern, powerful HEPA vac systems combined with our advanced rotary cleaning scrub brushes allows us to clean most systems from the bottom up and will not damage your system, and ensures that your house stays completely clean and 100% dust free. We guarantee your complete satisfaction, and all repairs are guaranteed for 3 years. So please give us a call or schedule online now.